LUNC is back in the spotlight again, and honestly, it's been one of the most unexpectedly consistent movers in the market lately. Even though it's still trading in those microdecimal zones, the coin has been showing a pattern that traders love: steady, repeated upward pushes rather than one-off spikes. Today's regular pump isn't just another green candle. It's part of a larger trend happening around the Terra Classic ecosystem, and investors in the US are paying attention again. A big reason behind LUNC's renewed momentum is the shifting sentiment within its community. The validators, developers, and community leaders have been more active over the last few weeks, pushing new proposals around chain optimization, reducing unnecessary supply expansion, and improving reliability for dApps that still rely on the Classic chain. These updates have been sparking fresh interest on crypto Twitter, and every time a governance proposal gains momentum, LUNC tends to follow with a slow but consistent price climb. US traders who watched this coin collapse in 2022 are now seeing an asset that refuses to die, and that resilience alone creates hype. Another trend fueling today's pump is the increase in trading volume across Asian exchanges overnight. When liquidity shifts from low-volume weekends into weekday volatility, LUNC usually catches a wave. And that's exactly what we are seeing: volume rising steadily, not spike Y, suggesting natural accumulation rather than coordinated pump-and-dump activity. For a coin with this much circulating supply, that kind of flow actually matters a lot more than people realize. US investors are watching two major factors: whether LUNC can sustain momentum without losing rhythm, and whether actual on-chain development picks up enough speed to attract new utility. Right now, most of LUNC's value is driven by community strength and nostalgia combined with speculative energy. But if the Classic chain pulls off upcoming performance upgrades, burns become more aggressive, and staking rewards remain appealing, this price could start forming a more stable ladder upward. As for future targets, a realistic short-term zone sits slightly above its recent local highs, where resistance has been forming over the past week. If volume continues rising at this pace and the steady pump continues without breaking structure, LUNC could retest higher micro levels that it hasn't seen in months. A lot of people still dream of the $0.001 zone and beyond, but the climb is huge, and it would require massive burns plus major developer activity. Still, traders love comeback stories, and LUNC has been writing one slowly, candle by candle, without the explosive hype that usually fades quickly.